Jay Silverheels, born Harold J. Smith in 1912 on the Six Nations Reserve in Ontario, Canada, was a groundbreaking Indigenous actor best known for portraying Tonto, the loyal companion of the Lone Ranger. A member of the Mohawk Nation, Silverheels was also a talented athlete, excelling in lacrosse and boxing before venturing into Hollywood. His strong and dignified screen presence helped him land his breakout role in the Lone Ranger television series, 1949 to 1957, a part that made him one of the most recognized Native American actors of his time. His portrayal, while sometimes criticized for its stereotypical depiction, opened doors for Indigenous representation in mainstream media. Despite the fame, Silverheels was acutely aware of the limited and often problematic roles available to Native American actors in Hollywood. He became a vocal advocate for Native American representation, going so far as to co-found the Indian Actors Workshop in Los Angeles in the 1960s, which aimed to train and support Native performers. Silverheels used his platform not only to act, but to inspire cultural pride and push for better opportunities for his people in the entertainment industry. His advocacy work marked him as more than just an actor. He became a pioneer for civil rights and authentic storytelling. Jay Silverheels passed away in 1980, but his legacy lives on as a trailblazer who defied the limitations placed upon Indigenous actors. The role of Tonto, controversial yet iconic, cemented his place in pop culture, but his enduring impact comes from his determination to elevate Native voices and stories. His life's work helped set the stage for later generations of Indigenous actors like Wes Studi and Greene to be taken seriously in Hollywood.